Hi, this is Margo. This is Wednesday afternoon, April the 21st, 2021, and this is a short video just showing ozone on cams for this week. I just happened to run through the forecast on this, and it's pretty shocking. So I've got it set up. This is ozone total column. This is the Antarctic view, and the data is for today, Wednesday, and the forecast period runs Thursday through Sunday. So first of all, we've got this real thin area. Let's see the holes opening up. We've got the thin areas starting out on the western peninsula. Now look, in the forecast period, look at this big hole opening up over the North Antarctica. This is awful. This is just way too early for a hole to be opening up down there. The sun has just gone down, and this hole. So here it is in the forecast period on Sunday. So when I do my methane update on YouTube, my weekly update will also be seeing what ozone did this week. But wanted to give everyone a heads up. The hole is back, and it's in the danger zone. It's in that purplish blue, which is 200 to 220 Dobson units over the northern part of the Antarctic. So the ozone hole is back, folks. Time is short. Talk to you soon. God bless you.